Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. The system image matches your Windows 11 build and the image drive is connected. Once ready, reboot and boot from the recovery USB or installation media. Make sure secure boot settings allow it. When the installer appears, choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot, and select System Image Recovery. This launches the automated tool that scans for available images. Follow prompts to pick the correct image. Don't skip verifying date, size, and source so you restore the intended backup. Once the recovery tool lists images, you must choose the right one and verify its date, size, and originating drive. If you're restoring to different hardware or replacing a drive, decide whether to format and repartition. This removes conflicting partitions but erases data. Use the advanced options to include drivers or exclude specific disks so you don't overwrite secondary storage. After confirming selections, the tool stages files and validates checksums. This integrity step prevents incomplete restores. Click Next to start the actual image deployment. During the restore, wait patiently while the image deploys. Interrupting power will corrupt the restore. Once finished, the system will reboot into the restored Windows 11 environment. Make sure to remove recovery media so it boots from the restored disk. If Windows fails to boot, run Startup Repair from the same recovery media, and once booted, install missing drivers or run System File Checker. If you see partition or driver issues, boot Safe Mode to add drivers. One tip, verify disk order in BIOS if the wrong drive boots.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.